Hey, it's Adri from Soundmate Sound Healing, and today I'm taking you behind the scenes so you can see how I make my music. I make binaural beats in two different programs, but for this one in particular, I use Gnaural to make the 417 Hertz solfeggio tone with an alpha beat. Next, I added the drum part, so it was actually my first time making my own music for the background. I usually use some sort of royalty-free music. So the drum has a mic on the bottom of it. The drum is hooked up to the audio interface, and this is connected to the amp, and that is connected to the laptop. I used Ableton to record, edit, and add reverb to the drum. So here you can see that, and then once I finished editing the audio for the drum, I added the binaural beat and layered that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out my YouTube channel, Soundmate Sound Healing, for more binaural beats.